Okay, for the longest time I've always had problems removing the headlights on an R53, taking out the bulbs and fixing them. Now I've taken the lens out in this case, just to show for illustrative purposes, but you'll get the idea once we're done here. Remove the cap. This is on the refresh models of the R53 headlights. There's two different types of igniters, but we're just going to demonstrate it for this one. In this case, open and close as we see here, we're going to turn it anti-clockwise. Here's something interesting going on here. Watch this cable as we rotate it. Watch what happens here. It has a built-in ejection system built in to the actual igniter itself. When it rotates, I'll try to show you here. There's a little clip. You see that little brown clip there? When it rotates, it ejects the cable straight out of it. So we can plug this in all we want, but it's actually this unit right here, this brown part right here, that actually ejects it. So when you disassemble it, you open it, it ejects the wire. We're going to put that aside. Here's the magic bits right here. And push the wire across here. If you notice, the word's top. That's actually pretty critical. And notice these nibs right here and here. What we're going to do is turn this anti-clockwise. Once it's released, you're going to pull it out. Now notice that it clears, once it's in this orientation, this clip clears these nubs. And pull that right off, just like that. And then we have the Xenon bulb as well. So a couple of things when reassembling here. When we put the Xenon in, you will notice that it has an indexing point too. Right here on the Xenon, right there at the top there, is a little clip. That clip corresponds to this one right here. So we put the Xenon in, align it with that pin. These two then become horizontal. You grab your retaining part, notice the word top. Align it to the top and look where the pins are going to hit. Insert it over top of those pins. Push down. And then rotate clockwise to lock it in place. Once it's tightened down, it does a slight rotation, and you'll see the top part right over there now, saying top. But that's the key. There's an indexing for the bulb, and there's an indexing for the retaining clip. Now we're going to take the igniter once again. These two pins here and here must correspond to the pins here and here. So pay attention to the alignment of it. Put your igniter down. It'll fit into the retaining clip, rotate, and it's done. Now all you have to do is plug in your wire, and it's done. I've struggled with these for hours, trying to figure out the alignment and trying to get everything done. But this is the solution. It's all about alignment. And watch the eject. Comes out, lift up, igniter is out, wire is out of the way, rotate anti-clockwise on the retaining clip, and then lift it out as well. Now, when doing this in the car, you're going to have some issues with gravity. So either take the whole lens assembly out, or when you put the bulb in and it's aligned with that top clip, put your finger on the end. So put your finger through the retaining clip, pop it down, and then with gravity, you're going to be holding this bulb in, but you will do the whole alignment thing and then rotation and turn just like that one more time. And it's all done.